Hi guys, I've got this Blue Heaven bridal makeup kit. Let's see what's inside this. Blue Heaven 24 hours stays 2x intense black kajal. Blue Heaven flawless makeup base primer. Blue Heaven forever matte liquid Sindoor. Blue Heaven bold eyeliner black diamond. Blue Heaven 10x volumized mascara. Blue Heaven eye pop-up eyeshadow. You got beautiful colors in it. Blue Heaven get bright compact powder. Blue Heaven shimmer matte blush. Such a beautiful pink color shade. Blue Heaven get bright foundation. Blue Heaven red lipstick. See how beautiful red color it is.